In this video, I'm going to show you really quickly how you can get insights on how people are getting to your social media profiles like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X, and finding your posts through Google search. It was something I stumbled upon, and I'm just going to do a really quick screen share for you. Also, too, with my screen share, for whatever reason, my webcam was not working, so you'll get a chance to see my happy face on the bottom left-hand corner. So technology wasn't taken that day. So yeah, so really quickly, check out the screen share and let me know your thoughts in the comment. I was just actually just looking at some insights on one of my websites for just to be able to look and see what's going on with the SEO portion of my main website. And I got a prompt from Google about some insights on social media profiles. So you can be able to get insights on how your social media profiles is showing up in Google search results and seeing what posts are actually doing that. So I'm really excited. So if you look over here, let me scroll up really quickly. And this is for my main branding, personal brand social media profile. And it's so brand new. It takes a little while for it to start gathering data. I gave it permission to be able to pull data from my Instagram. So I'm going to do a really quick one. I probably will choose TikTok. And so all you have to do is when you go to Google Search Console, you're going to go to the left side, go to the menu, the little hamburger, and you want to go to add property. And you should get the same prompt as I got. And you have different platforms that you can actually do it with. TikTok, you got X, you got YouTube. So I'm definitely going to use add the profiles for my brands for the other three. But I'm just going to do one really quickly for you just to show you what this looks like, what the process looks like. So I'm just going to click add. And we have all the standard stuff. Hey, this is the information that we need to be able to get, so your basic profile information, user information, follower count, things of that nature. So I'm going to agree, and it should pull up the whole TikTok authorization for my profile, which is here, and Google for Creators. So I'm not familiar with that. It may have been around for a while, or this is something new, but we know how Google is. Google will have something today, then have it'll be out the window tomorrow. So depending on the adoption, but I'm going to give it a shot. So I'm going to hit continue, and boom, it's going through, and it says it added it successfully. So pretty soon I should start getting some data when it comes to Instagram and TikTok. And again, I'm going to do my YouTube and my X. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. But anytime we can able to get data on how people are finding us, how that people are finding our content is really good, because there may be certain posts that may hit with people, and you don't even have to figure out yourself. You can find those posts, put it into Claude, and say, hey, Claude, here's some data from the last 30 days. And I want you to find what posts are actually working well. You probably don't even have to ask that. Claude would be smart enough to know that you're looking for some kind of KPIs to be able to see what is working for you. Because, of course, you don't want to be looking into insights of things that don't work all the time unless you ask. And sometimes that may be a good thing, too, to kind of know if certain posts don't work well with your audience. But more than likely, you want to find things that are making your audience grow. So let me know if you have any experience with this. Do you like it or not? If it's something that you want to actually try to implement. If you're having issues implementing this or any kind of other AI tech or anything to dealing with apps or things of that nature in your business, don't hesitate to hit the link in the description, hit the link on my profile, any of my social profiles, and then let's get some time on my calendar. Let's try to figure out what's going on. I can coach you on the way, or I can do it for you. So it just depends on what you actually want to do. So let's get some time on the calendar and book with me, and let's have a conversation. I look forward to it. Take care. Bye.